In this short video, I will show you how to install on-screen clock on your Android TV. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. If you have an Android TV and you want a clock that you can always look at when watching a movie, when watching a sport or anything on your Android TV, then an on-screen clock is a good application you can have on your Android TV. So to install on-screen clock, you have to come over to this application called Downloader. Downloader is an application that helps you get anything from the internet. If you don't have Downloader on your Android TV, check the description of this video. There is a link there that's going to help you to get Downloader on your Android TV. So once you get Downloader on your Android TV, you have to come over here to search for the tool and application that I called OnScreen Clock. So OnScreen Clock is a very nice application for you to check time on your Android TV while using your Android TV to do anything. So what you have to do is go over to this box here and search for the keyword on screen clock. So type in the right keyword. When you're typing a keyword, make sure you are typing the right keyword. So on screen clock. So when you type in the right keyword, just go ahead and click on go. So Downloader is going to show you where you can install the application to your Android TV from the internet, and there are going to be many options. You just have to choose which one you want. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to go with this option here. So you just have to come over here and then you search, you click on it, and then it's going to lead you to where you can install the application to your Android TV. It's a very easy process. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to the YouTube channel.